Hey y'all, I wanted to make this really quick video because the market just closed and it was a freaking crazy day. So today I am up $754, but I'm down $2,500 roughly. And let me flip my camera around so that way you could see what I'm talking about. Okay, so you can see right about there where I've been doing all these different options trades and some of these looking really good. Now keep in mind, this is not financial advice whatsoever. This is just pretty much me just sharing what I did, especially today, because pretty much all of these except for Square, the first one, I purchased that on Friday, and then I purchased Facebook, Boeing, Bank of America, and PayPal. And as you can see from my options trades, the P&L on Square is amazing, also amazing on, what is that, Boeing, but it really sucks for Bank of America and PayPal. So I'm really hoping that those turn around. These are long-term contracts, which mean I have until the expiration date of, I think this one is, when is this? Okay, April 14th. So I got a while for this to turn around, and the dividend for Bank of America is going to be on March 3rd. So typically when there's a dividend, the price of the option, at least the put option, goes up. So I'm really looking forward to that because I could really use any extra cash and just trying to protect my portfolio in general. So anyway, I don't know how your day was, but I wanted to let you know how mine was. It was just a brutal market. But thankfully, by using some options, put options specifically to hedge my portfolio, I've been able to at least conserve some of the cash. So till next time, bye.